Greetings, fellow Falcons. This is the BakerFalcon, and today I'm in bird news number 10. Today I have very important news that will affect the whole channel from now on. So, as you might have noticed, our latest Minecraft video did not have an intro. And this video is not gonna have an intro either. You might notice it. Now, you might be asking yourself why we don't have intros anymore. And the answer is quite simple. It is because without intros we will be able to upload a lot more. This is because when our channel was first made, we had no intros. But of course we didn't really have anything. But last summer of 2014 was a productive summer, I should say. We uploaded a lot of Pokemon. Pokemon Platinum and Pokemon Diamond? I think that's what it's called. I don't know, I haven't played that game in years. Okay. Anyways, I haven't played Pokemon Diamond in years. Anyways, that's not what that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is the fact that we don't have intros anymore. So let me explain how we added our intros. We do not have a good computer. Let me first start off by saying that we do not have a good computer where I live. But what we do, what is this? No. Okay, but what we do have is our tablets. The thing that I'm recording on right now. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that once we upload or record the video, we will be able to upload it instantly and just fix up the thumbnail later, like we used to do in the summer of 2014. And that's basically it. So that's kind of important news, I guess, for people that have been watching us a while. So that's good, I guess. Let me actually just finish this quick so I guess this is a close look at how I can see, so you can look at how I solved them. If you're not a Rubik's Cuber, just whatever I'm doing probably does not make sense to you at all. I have one.
9 out of 10 people experience back pain during your life.
I can. Anyways, that's all for this time. This video helped clarify anything. Make sure to leave a comment and like, and I will fly to you next time.